In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your crypto wallet using Trust Wallet. This is an essential step to ensure the safety and security of your digital assets. So let's dive right in. To get started, open Trust Wallet on your device. Once you've opened it, you'll notice a variety of features available in the app, such as options to send, swap, fund, and sell your assets. In addition to these functionalities, you will see your tokens listed. But today, our focus is going to be on enhancing the security of your wallet. A simple yet effective way to add a layer of security is by enabling the passcode feature. To do this, click on the Settings option at the bottom of your screen, then navigate to Security. Here, you'll see an option for passcode. By enabling this feature, you will be ensuring that every time you open your wallet, a code will be required. This serves as a basic level of protection, helping to prevent any unauthorized access. Now, beyond this initial step, there is an additional, more secure method you can implement, and that involves backing up your wallet. This backup process not only safeguards your cryptocurrencies, but also protects your access to them in case of a technical malfunction or if you switch devices. To begin this process, click on your wallet, then look for the three dots located usually at the top right corner of your screen. Tapping on these dots will lead you to your secret phrase backups, such as Google Drive and manual options. For this demonstration, we will use Google Drive as it provides a convenient and accessible backup solution. Click on Google Drive and proceed by selecting the email address you wish to associate with this backup. Follow the prompts on your screen to set this up. It's a straightforward process that will guide you through each step clearly. As part of securing your backup, you'll need to create a strong password. Choose something complex that integrates a mix of numbers, letters, and special characters to enhance its strength, and, importantly, make sure to commit it to memory. Once you have successfully set up your password, the next step is to click Set Encryption Password. You will then be prompted to confirm the password you just entered. This step is crucial, as it ensures that you've entered your password correctly. After confirming, click on Confirm again, and wait patiently as the system processes the setup. This might take a few moments, so a little patience will go a long way. Once this process is complete, you will have successfully backed up your wallet, making it much more secure. With these security measures in place, you can feel more confident in the safety of your digital assets as you continue to navigate the world of cryptocurrencies.